From the majestic Sigiriya rock fortress to the serene beaches of Mirissa, this island nation offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural wonders. While its abundance of attractions may seem overwhelming, no worries, we'll walk you through curating your ultimate Sri Lanka experience. A journey to a tropical paradise where ancient ruins meet modern-day marvels. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the heart of Sri Lanka's vibrant tapestry and breathtaking beauty. Kohomata. Welcome to Sri Lanka, a teardrop-shaped island nation off the southern coast of India. Is a tropical paradise renowned for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. From the majestic Sigiriya rock fortress to the serene beaches of Mirissa, Sri Lanka offers a captivating blend of ancient history and modern-day marvels. Explore the lush tea plantations of Kandy, marvel at the ancient ruins of Anuradhapura, or embark on a safari in Yala National Park to spot leopards, elephants, and a variety of bird life. With its diverse landscapes, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality, Sri Lanka is a destination that will leave you enchanted. Stay tuned until the end for a unique must-know about Sri Lanka, the concept of Vivahayaboan. First, we'll share a few wacky, wonderful oddities about Sri Lanka, and then we'll explore the best destinations this incredible Sri Lanka has to offer. Sri Lanka's wacky, weird, or wonderful oddities. The birthplace of Ayurveda. An island nation off the southern coast of India, Sri Lanka is renowned as the birthplace of Ayurveda, an ancient Indian system of medicine. This holistic approach to health and wellness emphasizes balancing the body's doshas vital energies through a combination of diet, lifestyle modifications, herbs, and therapies. Ayurveda has deep roots in Sri Lankan culture, and the island is home to many traditional Ayurvedic practitioners and wellness centers. Visitors to Sri Lanka can experience authentic Ayurvedic treatments, including massages, herbal therapies, and personalized dietary plans. By immersing themselves in the healing traditions of Ayurveda, travelers can gain valuable insights into ancient wisdom and promote their own well-being. Talawakali. Nestled amidst the lush hills of Sri Lanka's central highlands, Wakali stands as the world's largest tea estate, spanning over 5,000 acres. This vast expanse of emerald green tea plantations produces a significant portion of Sri Lanka's renowned Ceylon tea. Globally recognized brand synonymous with quality and flavor. Take a journey through the tea plantations, witness the intricate process of tea production, and savor the aromatic flavors of Ceylon tea. Learn about the different varieties of tea, from the delicate white tea to the robust black tea, and discover the secrets behind Sri Lanka's tea-making traditions. A visit to Talawakali offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the world of tea and experience the beauty of Sri Lanka's natural landscapes. Sri Lanka's must-see wonders. Sigiriya Rock Fortress. An iconic UNESCO World Heritage Site in Sri Lanka, Sigiriya Rock Fortress stands majestically at 200 meters above the surrounding landscape. Often referred to as Lion Rock, this ancient citadel was built during the reign of King Kashapa in the 5th century and showcases remarkable engineering and artistic ingenuity. The fortress is renowned for its striking frescoes, which adorn the rock's sheltered caves. These vivid paintings depict celestial maidens, reflecting the artistic excellence of the period. The climb to the summit, which involves navigating a series of staircases, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding jungle and distant mountains. At the entrance, visitors are greeted by the impressive remains of the lion's paws, which once flanked the stairway leading to the king's palace atop the rock. The gardens at the base, featuring water features and terraced landscaping, exemplify the advanced design of ancient Sri Lankan horticulture. Sigiriya is not just a marvel of architecture, it is also a testament to the island's rich history and cultural heritage. Exploring this ancient fortress provides insight into the ingenuity of its creators and remains a highlight for anyone visiting Sri Lanka, captivating all with its grandeur and historical significance. Yala National Park. Located on the southeastern coast of Sri Lanka, Yala National Park is one of the island's premier wildlife destinations, renowned for its diverse ecosystems and rich biodiversity. Covering approximately 979 square kilometers, the park features a mix of dry scrub, lush forests, wetlands, and stunning coastline, making it home to an array of wildlife. One of Yala's main attractions is its population of leopards, which are often spotted during safaris, particularly in the park's Block I. This area is considered one of the best places in the world to see these elusive big cats in their natural habitat. In addition to leopards, Yala is also home to elephants, sloth, bears, crocodiles, and numerous bird species, including migratory ones, making it a haven for birdwatchers. Visitors can explore Yala through guided jeep safaris, providing an up-close experience with the park's wildlife. The breathtaking landscapes, coupled with the thrill of spotting animals in the wild, make for an unforgettable adventure. Yala National Park not only highlights Sri Lanka's natural beauty, but also plays a crucial role in conservation efforts, protecting the delicate ecosystems and the diverse wildlife that call this stunning park home. Anuradhapura, one of the ancient capitals of Sri Lanka, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Anuradhapura is known for its rich history and remarkable archaeological treasures. Founded in the 4th century BC, Anuradhapura was a thriving urban center and a focal point of Buddhist culture for centuries. The city is famous for its well-preserved ruins, which include stupas, monasteries, and ancient pools showcasing the architectural ingenuity of the time. The most iconic structure in Anuradhapura is the Roa Wanwelishahe, a massive stupa built by King Dutujamuno, symbolizing the strength of Buddhism in Sri Lanka. Another significant landmark is the Sri Mahabodhi, a sacred fig tree believed to be a sapling from the original tree under which the Buddha attained enlightenment. Pilgrims flock to this site, making it a vibrant spiritual center. Visitors can explore the expansive archaeological park on foot or by bicycle, with each monument telling a story of the island's ancient civilization. The ancient city's blend of spirituality, history, and stunning architecture provides a captivating glimpse into Sri Lanka's past. Anuradhapura remains a vital cultural heritage site, inviting travelers to discover the legacy of one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities. Portland Plains National Park. Located in the central highlands of Sri Lanka, Portland Plains National Park is a breathtaking natural wonder known for its unique biodiversity and stunning landscapes. Covering approximately 3,160 hectares, this UNESCO World Heritage Site features a unique ecosystem of montane forests, grasslands, and peatlands, making it a crucial habitat for many endemic species. One of the park's main attractions is the dramatic World's End, a sheer cliff offering panoramic views that stretch for miles. The best time to visit is early morning, when mist often envelops the plains, creating a mystical atmosphere. The trek to World's End is a popular trail, leading visitors through lush vegetation and diverse wildlife, including deer, sambar, and various bird species. Horton Plains is also home to several important endemic flora, including the striking silver oak and various orchids. The park plays a vital role in the conservation of Sri Lanka's unique ecosystems, providing critical water sources for downstream regions. With its cool climate, diverse wildlife, and stunning scenery, Horton Plains National Park offers an unforgettable experience for nature lovers and hikers, showcasing the natural beauty and ecological significance of Sri Lanka's highlands. Often dubbed Little England, Nuwara Eliya is a picturesque hill station in Sri Lanka, known for its lush tea plantations, cool climate, and charming colonial architecture. Located at an altitude of about 1,868 meters, it serves as a refreshing escape from the tropical heat of the lowlands. The town was established by the British during the colonial era, evident in its quaint bungalows, manicured gardens, and the iconic Nuwara Eliya Golf Club, one of the oldest golf courses in Asia. The region's famous tea estates, such as the Pedro Tea Estate, offer tours where visitors can witness the tea-making process and sample some of the finest Ceylon tea. Nuwara Eliya's stunning landscapes include the serene Gregory Lake, perfect for boating and picnicking, and the nearby Horton Plains National Park, home to the breathtaking Worlds and Viewpoint. The town also hosts the vibrant Nuwara Eliya Flower Show, showcasing an array of colorful blooms and attracting nature enthusiasts. With its blend of natural beauty, rich history, and cool climate, Nuwara Eliya remains a beloved destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure in Sri Lanka's highlands. Trincomalee's pristine beaches. Escape to the untouched shores of Nillaveli Beach, where powdery white sands stretch along turquoise waters, creating an idyllic paradise. Stroll along the pristine coastline, feeling the soft sand between your toes, or take a dip in the crystal clear ocean that mirrors the sky. For an unforgettable adventure, set out by boat to the nearby Pigeon Island, renowned for its vibrant coral reefs and the thrill of snorkeling among schools of tropical fish. As evening approaches, witness the captivating sight of local fishermen balancing on wooden stilts, practicing an ancient fishing technique that has been passed down through generations. Against the backdrop of a breathtaking sunset, this authentic display adds a unique charm to the beauty of Trincomalee, making it a must-visit destination for those in search of hidden coastal gems. Gala Fort. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Gala Fort is located on the southwestern coast of Sri Lanka, is a stunning testament to the island's colonial history and architectural heritage. Originally built by the Portuguese in the 16th century, and later fortified by the Dutch in the 17th century, the fort showcases a blend of European and South Asian influences, evident in its well-preserved ramparts, bastions, and colonial buildings. Visitors to Gala Fort are captivated by its charming cobblestone streets, lined with vibrant boutiques, art galleries, and cozy cafes. The iconic lighthouse, constructed in 1848, stands as a symbol of the fort's maritime significance, offering breathtaking views of the Indian Ocean. The fort's rich history is reflected in landmarks such as the Dutch Reformed Church and the National Maritime Museum, which houses artifacts detailing the region's maritime heritage. The annual Gala Literary Festival further highlights the fort's cultural vibrancy, attracting writers and enthusiasts from around the world. Gala Fort seamlessly combines history, culture, and stunning coastal scenery, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking to explore Sri Lanka's fascinating past while enjoying the vibrant atmosphere of this remarkable site. Polonnaruwa, one of Sri Lanka's ancient capitals. Polonnaruwa, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is rich in history and archaeological wonders. Established in the 11th century, it became the seat of power after the decline of Anuradhapura, flourishing under the reign of King Parakahirmabo I. The city showcases remarkable ruins that reflect its grandeur, including palaces, temples, and stupas. One of the most notable sites is the Galvihara, a stunning complex featuring 4 impressive Buddhist statues carved into granite, embodying the artistry of ancient craftsmen. The royal palace ruins, once a magnificent structure, highlight the sophistication of the kingdom's architecture. Polonnaruwa is also famous for the Parakahirmabo Samudra, an expansive reservoir built to support agriculture, showcasing the advanced hydraulic engineering of the time. Visitors can explore the ancient city on foot or by bicycle, taking in the beauty of the lush landscapes interspersed with historic relics. The city's rich cultural heritage, combined with its serene surroundings, makes Polonnaruwa a captivating destination for history enthusiasts and travelers alike. Its well-preserved sites offer a glimpse into Sri Lanka's illustrious past, making it a key highlight for anyone exploring the island. Sri Lanka's must-see cities. Nuwara Eliya. Often referred to as Little England, Nuwara Eliya is a picturesque town nestled in the central highlands of Sri Lanka. Renowned for its lush tea plantations, cool climate, and stunning landscapes, it serves as a popular retreat from the tropical heat of the lowlands. The town was established by the British during the colonial era, which is evident in its colonial architecture, including charming bungalows and well-maintained gardens. The area is also home to the famous Hakkala Botanical Garden, showcasing a diverse range of flora. Visitors can explore the nearby Pedro Tea Estate, where they can witness the tea-making process and enjoy breathtaking views of the rolling hills. The stunning Gregory Lake offers opportunities for boating and picnicking, surrounded by serene natural beauty. For nature enthusiasts, Nuwara Eliya serves as a gateway to the Horton Plains National Park, where the dramatic worlds and escarpment provides breathtaking views. The local climate, cooler than much of Sri Lanka, allows for a unique blend of flora and fauna. With its charming English-style gardens, vibrant markets, and rich history, Nuwara Eliya offers a captivating blend of nature, culture, and colonial heritage, making it a must-visit destination in Sri Lanka. Jaffna. Located in the northern part of Sri Lanka, Jaffna is a vibrant city rich in culture and history. Known for its distinct Tamil heritage, Jaffna offers a unique blend of traditional and modern influences. The city is characterized by its bustling markets, beautiful temples, and serene landscapes, making it a fascinating destination for travelers. One of Jaffna's landmarks is the Jaffna Fort, built by the Portuguese in the 17th century, which provides a glimpse into the region's colonial past. Nearby, the Nalarkandaswamy Kavil, a magnificent Hindu temple, attracts both pilgrims and tourists with its intricate architecture and vibrant festivals. Jaffna's coastal location offers stunning views and access to pristine beaches like Kasuharina Beach and Karanagar Island, where visitors can relax and enjoy the serene environment. The region is also known for its delicious cuisine, featuring fresh seafood, traditional rice dishes, and unique desserts reflecting the local culture. Despite its challenges during the civil conflict, Jaffna has emerged resilient, showcasing its rich heritage and welcoming spirit. With its historical sites, cultural experiences, and warm hospitality, Jaffna remains an essential part of Sri Lanka's diverse tapestry, inviting exploration and appreciation. Colombo. The bustling capital of Sri Lanka, Colombo is a vibrant metropolis that beautifully blends modernity with rich history. Situated on the west coast, it serves as the country's commercial and cultural hub. The city boasts a diverse population, reflected in its lively markets, culinary scene, and cultural festivals. One of Colombo's most iconic landmarks is the Yala Face Green, a sprawling oceanfront park where locals and tourists gather to enjoy picnics, kite flying, and stunning sunsets. The Colombo National Museum, home to an extensive collection of artifacts, offers insight into the island's history and heritage. The city is also known for its eclectic architecture, from colonial era buildings like the Old Parliament and the Independence Memorial Hall to modern skyscrapers. The bustling Peta Market is a sensory overload, where vibrant stalls sell everything from spices to textiles. Colombo's culinary scene is a treat for food lovers, featuring a mix of traditional Sri Lankan dishes and international cuisine. The nightlife is equally exciting, with bars, clubs, and cultural performances. Overall, Colombo is a dynamic city that encapsulates the spirit of Sri Lanka, making it an essential stop for travelers seeking a blend of history, culture, and modern life. Kandy. Nestled in the central hills of Sri Lanka is Kandy, a city steeped in history and culture. Renowned as the last royal capital, Kandy is famous for its stunning scenery and rich heritage. At the heart of the city lies the sacred temple of the tooth relic, Sri Dalada Maligawa, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that houses a revered relic of the Buddha, attracting pilgrims and tourists alike. The picturesque Kandy Lake, encircled by lush hills and colonial-era buildings, offers a serene escape for leisurely strolls and boat rides. The annual Esala Perahera, a vibrant procession featuring dancers, drummers, and beautifully adorned elephants, showcases Kandy's rich cultural traditions and is a highlight of the city's calendar. Kandy is also a hub for traditional arts and crafts, with local artisans producing exquisite items like hand-woven textiles and intricate wood carvings. The city's botanical gardens, particularly the Royal Botanical Gardens in Peradeniya, showcase an impressive variety of flora, including stunning orchids. With its combination of spirituality, history, and natural beauty, Kandy offers visitors a captivating glimpse into Sri Lanka's cultural heritage, making it a must-visit destination for those exploring the island. Mirissa. A charming coastal town on Sri Lanka's southern coast, Mirissa is renowned for its stunning beaches and vibrant marine life. Nestled between lush hills and the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean, Mirissa has become a popular destination for travelers seeking relaxation and adventure. The town is particularly famous for whale watching, with seasonal tours offering the chance to see blue whales and spinner dolphins in their natural habitat. Early morning boat trips provide a thrilling experience, drawing nature enthusiasts from around the world. Mirissa's beaches are a major attraction, featuring soft golden sands and clear waters ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and surfing. The laid-back atmosphere, combined with cozy beachfront cafes and restaurants, creates a perfect spot for unwinding with fresh seafood and tropical drinks. In addition to its natural beauty, Mirissa is close to several attractions, including the historic Yala Fort and the picturesque village of Yala, known for its stilt fishermen, with its blend of relaxation, adventure, and stunning scenery. Mirissa embodies the idyllic charm of Sri Lanka's southern coastline, making it an unmissable destination for travelers seeking both tranquility and excitement. Yala. Nestled in the lush central highlands, Yala is a picturesque town known for its scenic beauty and relaxed vibe. Surrounded by misty mountains, tea plantations, and waterfalls, it's a paradise for nature lovers and hikers. The town is famous for its hiking trails, including the climb to Yala Rock for panoramic views and the shorter, yet equally stunning, Little Adams Peak. One of Yala's iconic landmarks is the Nine Arches Bridge, a colonial-era railway bridge set amidst lush greenery, where visitors often gather to watch trains pass through the mist-covered hills. With its tranquil charm and stunning vistas, Yala offers a refreshing escape into Sri Lanka's natural wonders. Aruga Bay. Located on Sri Lanka's southeastern coast, Aruga Bay is a surfer's paradise known for its laid-back vibe and stunning natural beauty. Renowned for its excellent surf breaks, particularly the famous main point, Aruga Bay attracts surfers from around the globe, especially during the peak season from April to October. The bay features a picturesque stretch of golden sand framed by swaying palm trees, creating a serene backdrop for sunbathing and relaxation. Beyond surfing, visitors can enjoy activities such as snorkeling, diving, and whale watching, or simply unwind at one of the many beachfront cafes offering delicious local cuisine. The nearby Kumana National Park, known for its rich biodiversity, provides opportunities for wildlife enthusiasts to spot various bird species, elephants, and other animals in their natural habitat. Aruga Bay also boasts a vibrant community, with a mix of local and international influences evident in its lively atmosphere. Regular beach parties, yoga retreats, and cultural events enhance its appeal, making it a hotspot for travelers seeking both adventure and relaxation. With its perfect blend of surf culture, natural beauty, and community spirit, Aruga Bay remains a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Sri Lanka's captivating coastline. Sri Lanka must know. Ahayabowan is a traditional greeting in Sri Lanka, often used as a formal expression of respect and well wishes. It literally translates to, "May you live long," and is a common way to greet people, both friends and strangers. Using Ahayabowan demonstrates cultural awareness and respect for Sri Lankan customs, making it a valuable phrase to learn for any visitor to the island nation. Sri Lanka travel wonders. From the ancient ruins of Anuradhapura to the pristine beaches of Mirissa, Sri Lanka has captivated our hearts and minds. This island nation offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. We've explored its vibrant cities, its lush landscapes, and its warm-hearted people. So, where will your Sri Lankan adventure take you? Let us know in the comments section. Will you hike through the misty mountains of Horton Plains or surf the waves of Arugam Bay? Perhaps you'll explore the ancient ruins of Sigiriya or relax on the sandy beaches of Mirissa. Whatever your interests, Sri Lanka has something to offer everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Sri Lanka. We hope you've been inspired to plan your own adventure to this incredible island nation. Ata Aganawa.